Tired of spending your precious free time cleaning? Let Villegas Cleaning Service take that burden off your shoulders. Based right here in San Diego County, Villegas Cleaning Service offers professional, trustworthy, and detailed cleaning solutions tailored just for you. Whether it's your house, apartment, office, or even an Airbnb, we've got you covered. Our services include everything from recurring house cleaning, one-time deep cleans, move-in and move-out cleanings, office upkeep, Airbnb turnovers, and even post-construction cleanup. You name it, we clean it. What sets us apart? Our team is not only trained and experienced, but also background checked and insured, ensuring your peace of mind. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail and customized cleaning plans. Every nook and cranny gets the care it deserves. And guess what? We offer free estimates. That's right, just give us a call, visit our website, or shoot us an email to get a personalized quote tailored to your needs. We're proud to serve the San Diego community, helping homeowners and businesses enjoy cleaner, healthier spaces. As one happy client put it, Villegas Cleaning Service transformed my home. Another shared, their attention to detail is incredible. Ready to experience the Villegas Cleaning Service difference? Visit our website at villegascleaningservice.com. Call us or text us for a free estimate. Let us take care of the cleaning so you can enjoy your free time. Villegas Cleaning Service, making San Diego sparkle, one clean at a time.